May I also request Dr. Pradeep Haldar, Ms. Rajeshwar Chandrasekhar, and Dr. Gagan Gupta to please join Ms. Kapoor Khan on stage. Thank you, everyone. May I request Dr. Gagan Gupta to please speak a few words on this occasion.
Time has gone below 1 million mark. The number of under 5 deaths are now exactly equal to the share of the births in the world. India accounts for 18% of the births in the world, and for the first time, the share of deaths have gone to 18%. For maternal deaths, the progress is even better. The credit goes to the millions of health workers, the government, partners, and people like you. You all have been...
Also to look at leaders, religious leaders, who would actually promote the messages down to the communities in which they had a lot of influence.
Known for her commitment towards women and child issues, to deliver a special address and share her experiences on immunization.
Firstly, happy 70th birthday to UNICEF, to an institution that has been doing such brilliant work. It's an absolute honor, actually, to be a celebrity advocate for UNICEF. But today I'm also that, but I also wear another hat today, which I'm very proud of, which is of a radio jockey. So I'm also, one of y'all. I had a show last year which was What Women Want, actually. The name was What Women Want. But I think today we're gathered here to discuss what mothers want, what families want, what fathers want. That is where the UNICEF campaign comes in, Every Child Alive. What they want is every child, wherever, however, whatever, in whatever condition they are born, they have to be alive. That's all that we want. And I know, being an RJ, the power of what radio jockeys have, the influence that they have over the masses pan-India. I think एक-एक आवाज़ की गूंज से एक radio jockey की आवाज़ पहचानी जाती है, and जो I love hearing my favorite radio jockeys, and if they say something, I think their voice kind of resonates with the entire nation. And that's why I'm so happy to have partnered with Radio for Child Awards, to have all of y'all here who have worked tirelessly day in and day out to spread the message of our campaign, Every Child Alive, to educate, empower, engage so many mothers out there, so many young mothers, so many families, fathers who have no idea on immunization, who have no idea on health boosters, who have probably no knowledge. And all of you guys and the power of radio have actually done that. And that's why we're here today. And I am so very grateful for that. The government also has been tirelessly working to provide services, pan-India to all the mothers. I think one example which I have is, when I actually delivered Taimur, the first thing I was also worried about was that the first thing I asked the doctor was that, how do I protect him from pneumonia? How do I protect him from the hundreds of diseases that, I've been hearing of? And what I thought when he presented me the immunization chart, that was something that I actually held on to. It was something that I was like, this is what it is for my child to be alive. And when I realized what I felt, my heart went out to so many of those mothers across the nation who possibly don't even know that this exists. And I think that is why this cause is so close to my heart, because it's something that I relate to. It's something that I keep track of. It's something that I know that, okay, abhi 6 mahine baad, this is what I need to do. This is what I have to do to protect my child. So if I am doing it, I want all the young mothers, first-time mothers, to have to understand that this is just a necessity. And if I can lend my voice to it, I think this is something that, I've taken it upon myself. We're actually just 2 days away from Mother's Day. I actually had to be also reminded by my own mother that, It's 2 days to Mother's Day. And so please come and have lunch with me because I have been very busy. But this Mother's Day, I want to make a pledge that we all in this room, of course, we're all like-minded, we're all here for the same cause, but we have to make a pledge to keep every child alive. And that's all that I think I would want this Mother's Day as a gift. Of course, donate to UNICEF, be a part of our program. I think that is something that I would want. And I'm just so happy that I can personally be here to congratulate all the all the radio jockeys for their work. So thank you so much. Every Child Alive is a dream. It is a vision that UNICEF and I have, but it is a dream that very slowly and steadily we are making come true. So thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for such motivating and encouraging words. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we had been waiting for has arrived. So without any further ado, let's straight away begin the Radio for Child Awards presentation ceremony. To give away the first set of awards, may I request Mr. KG Suresh and Mr. Munish Gupta to also join the guests on the stage. So the award this year has had two themes: routine immunization with focus on measles, rubella, and end violence against children with special focus on child sexual abuse. Our first set of awards will be given to the radio journalists from All India Radio and for the routine immunization theme. The nominees for the best promo on routine immunization AIR are Yunus Khan, Vivid Bharti, Mumbai, for Tandurusti Ka Tohfa, and Namrata Falke, AIR Aurangabad, for Khasre Ka Virus. And the winner for the award of Best Promo on Routine Immunization AIR is Namrata Falke, AIR Aurangabad, for Khasre Ka Virus.
यहाँ से 50-50 कोस दूर गांव में जब बच्चा रात को रोता है तो माँ कहती है सो जा नहीं तो गब्बर सिंह आ जाएगा।
सरदार आजकल आपसे कहाँ बच्चे तो खसरे से डरते हैं।
खसरा? ये कौन ससरा पैदा हुआ जो?
For the next category, Best Jingle on Routine Immunization AIR, we had only one entry. So the winner of the Best Jingle on Routine Immunization AIR is Shivaji Khatwate, AIR Aurangabad, for Rubella Chi Kahani.
आई का रुबेला ची कहानी
For the next award, I would also like to invite Mr. Prasoon Sen, Communication Specialist, UNICEF, Hyderabad, on the stage. The next category, Best PSA on Routine Immunization AIR, two had only one entry. So the winner is Sudhakar Reddy, AIR Hyderabad, for Mr. Vaccination, Our Way in Every Frontier.
అమ్మయ్య పెళ్లి చక్కగా జరిగింది. రాము, నీ భార్యతో కలిసి డాక్టర్ మామయ్య ఆశీర్వాదం తీసుకో.
కలకాలం చిలకా గోరింకల్లాగా సుఖంగా ఉండండి.
Thank you for joining us, Mr. Prasoon Sen. Moving on to the next category, the nominees for Best Radio Spot on Routine Immunization AIR are Jagdish Adhikari, AIR Jaipur, Odisha, for Kuch Shab Teeke Ke Liye, Unmesh Valimbe, AIR Aurangabad, for Lasikaran Jeevan Ka Mooladhar, Praful Tambe, AIR Mumbai, for Dr. Behenji. And the award goes to Unmesh Valimbe, AIR Aurangabad, for Lasikaran Jeevan Ka Mooladhar.
Sundar Mulanchi Sharire Disati Gulab Jaise Gojire.
Our next category, Best RJ Link Routine Immunization AIR, also had only one nomination. So the winner is Suvayan Bala AIR Kolkata for When It's Mr. Immunization, No Question of Procrastination.
বৌদি
হ্যাঁ,
কাল আসতে পারবো নি, ঘরে একটু কাজ আছে।
ঘরে কাজ? কি কাজ আবার?
ও আছে, মেয়েকে এমআরটিকে দিতে নিয়ে যাব।
এবার টিকা? সেটা আবার কি? এই তো সেদিন পোলিও খাওয়াতে নিয়ে গেলি, আবার টিকা?
With that, we come to the end of awards for routine immunization AIR. Thank you, Ms. Chandrasekhar, Dr. Gagan Gupta, and Mr. KG Suresh, and Mr. Munish Gupta for joining us. I would like to invite Mr. Abhay Gaur, President PTC, and Nipun Gupta, Communication Specialist UNICEF Bihar, to join us for the next set of awards with Ms. Kareena Kapoor Khan. The next theme is End Violence Against Children with focus on child sexual abuse for AIR. The nominees for Best Promo on Child Sexual Abuse AIR are Vinay Shri AIR Kurukshetra for Mummy Ki Pari, Mamta Singh Vivid Bharti Mumbai for Good Touch, Bad Touch, Nitin Deshpande AIR Aurangabad for Child Helpline Bachon Ki Lifeline. And the Best Promo on Child Sexual Abuse AIR award goes to Mr. Vinay Shri AIR Kurukshetra for Mummy Ki Pari.
मेरा नाम गुड़िया है, एक कविता सुनाऊं? मम्मी की बिंदी लगाकर घर में घूमती हूँ, अपनी गुड़िया को सजाकर इधर उधर झूमती हूँ, शहजादी हूँ पापा की।
The next category, the nominations for Best Jingle on Child Sexual Abuse AIR are Praful Tambe AIR Mumbai for Safe Touch, Zubair Khan AIR FM Gold Mumbai, Praful Tambe again AIR for Nachao Dhasa. And the winner for the Best Jingle on Child Sexual Abuse AIR is Praful Tambe AIR Mumbai for Nachao Dhasa.
कुणी केला आपल्याला वाईट स्पर्श तर नाचा हो धासा, नाचा हो धासा,
नाचा ओ दासा, नाचा ओ दासा, ना, नाही, नाही ठाम नाही.
Thank you, Mr. Nipun Gupta and Mr. Abhay Gaur for joining us. For the next set of awards, I would like to invite Mr. Uday Chawla, Gitanjali Master, Communication Specialist UNICEF, and Sonia Sarkar, Communication Officer UNICEF. Please join us on stage. The nominees for Best PSA Child Sexual Abuse AIR are Vijaya, AIR Hyderabad, for Your Attention Please, Sohan Kapoor, AIR Jalandhar, for Bunyad, the Foundation, Suresh Kumar and Shalini Mittal, AIR New Delhi, for Chup Mat Rahiye, and Shehnaz Kaura and Santosh Rishi, AIR Jalandhar, for Maa Baap Nu Dasson Zaroor. And the winner for the Best PSA Child Sexual Abuse AIR are Suresh Kumar and Shalini Mittal, AIR Delhi, for Chup Mat Rahiye.
जूही, जूही दादाजी कब से अपने कमरे में पानी मांग रहे हैं? तुम गई नहीं अभी तक?
नहीं मम्मी, मुझे नहीं जाना।
क्यों जूही, ऐसा क्यों बोल रही हो बेटा? वो तो तुम्हें इतना प्यार करते हैं।
नहीं, पता नहीं क्यों मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता।
क्या?
वो मुझे चूमते हैं।
The next category, nominations for Best Spot on Child Sexual Abuse AIR are Rajiv Ranjan AIR Patna for Bacche Ki Suraksha, Lilima Matthew AIR Kochi for Let Our Little Ones' Childhood Be Full of Innocence, and Meenu Khare AIR Bareilly for Password Say Safety. The winner of the Best Spot on Child Sexual Abuse AIR is Meenu Khare AIR Bareilly for Password Say Safety.
मेरा नाम याहवी गोस्वामी है, मैं सेकंड बी में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरी मम्मी जॉब करती हैं। एक दिन मेरी मम्मी घर पे नहीं थी तो मुझे चिप्स खाने का बहुत मन था। मेरे घर के पास में
The nominees for Best RJ Link Child Sexual Abuse AIR are Aarti Malhotra FM Rainbow for Baat Karein Share Karein, Aarti Malhotra again for Civic Sense, and Sushma Narula AIR Jaipur for Chup Mat Rahiye Awaaz Uthaएं. And the winner for the Best RJ Link Child Sexual Abuse AIR is Sushma Narula AIR Jaipur for Chup Mat Rahiye Awaaz Uthaएं.
की सुर्खियां या ऑनलाइन न्यूज़ दिल को दहला जाती हैं, और ऐसी ये खबर जब मेरी आंखों के सामने आई तो वाकई मुझे लगा कि ऐसा भी होता है तो क्यों होता है। जी हाँ, एक छोटी सी बच्ची के साथ क्या कुछ हुआ। कितनी प्यारी होती हैं ये बच्चियाँ, चुलबुली, हंसली खेलती, इठलाती, लेकिन न जाने क्यों ऐसे लोग।
With that, we come to an end to the awards for All India Radio. Let's give a huge round of applause to all the winners. We thank you, Mr. Chawla, Gitanjali, and Sonia for joining us. May I now request Ms. Rama Mohan and Mr. Rajiv Shukla to join us to give away the next set of awards. This is awards to RJs from private FM, and we will start with the routine immunization first. The nominees for Best Promo on routine immunization private FM are Payal Sharma Red FM Dehradun for Gabbar Bhi 5 Saal 7 Saal, Barkha Pandey Radio City Patna for Niyamit Teekakaran, and Rafia Rahim and Samim Khan for Radio Mirchi Srinagar for Bacche Hain Wadi Ki Shaan. The winner for the Best Promo for routine immunization private FM is Payal Sharma Red FM Dehradun for Gabbar Bhi 5 Saal 7 Saal.
चुटकी को कितने टीके लगवा रहे हैं?
सरदार, अभी तक तो 3 ही लगवाए।
बाकी के टीके कौन लगवाएगा? हैं?
सरदार, मैंने और मेरी बेटी ने आपका नमक खाया है।
तो अब स्वास्थ्य केंद्र जाके टीका लगवा।
Moving to the next category, the nominees for Best Jingle on routine immunization private FM, Payal Sharma Red FM Dehradun for Rap Marke, Upasana Kaur Fever FM Bengaluru for Bacche Ki Udaan, Subhash Krishna Radio Mirchi Patna for Ye Muskan. The winner for Best Jingle routine immunization private FM is Payal Sharma Red FM Dehradun for Rap Marke.
93.5 Red FM पर दिल्ली का न्यूज़ रैप मार्के, दिल्ली का न्यूज़ रैप मार्के, रैप मार्के।
बच्चों के अच्छे स्वास्थ्य के लिए जरूरी है नियमित टीकाकरण।
पहला टीका जन्म के समय लगवाओ, दूसरे को 1.5 महीने में लगाओ, बारी तीसरे की आएगी 2.5 महीने में, और चौथी।
The nominees for the Best PSA for routine immunization private FM are Subhash Krishna and RJ Apurva, Radio Mirchi Patna for Baat Pateki, Animesh Shukla, My FM Raipur for Teekakaran announcement, Hina, Radio Mirchi Amritsar for Bimariyon Ki Nazar, and Koyal and Shrikant, Radio Chocolate Odisha for Asha Didi. And the winners for Best PSA for routine immunization private FM are actually joint winners for this category, Animesh Shukla, My FM Raipur, and Hina, Radio
94.3 My FM पर मैं हूँ RJ अनिमेश, और जिंदगी क्रिकेट के मैच की तरह है जिसमें हम हैं बैट्समैन। अब जरा सोचिए कि हम अपने रन तो दौड़ रहे हैं लेकिन उस क्रीज को पूरा टच नहीं कर रहे, बस पास जाके वापस आ जा रहे हैं, तो हमारा कोई रन काउंट नहीं हो। अपने बच्चों का टीकाकरण कराएं तो 5 साल 7।
इंडिया का नंबर 1 रेडियो स्टेशन मिर्ची 98.3 सुन रहे हो मेरे यानी हिना दी नाल। अगर कोई ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੀ ਤਾਰੀਫ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਬੱਚਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਸੁਨੱਖਾ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫਟਾਫਟ ਕਾਲਾ ਟਿੱਕਾ ਲਗਾਤਾ, ਹਲਕਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਬੁਖਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ, ਦਵਾਈ ਦੇਣ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਘਰ ਆ ਕੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਉਤਾਰ ਦਿਓ। ਇਹ ਸਾਰੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ, ਪਰ ਮੇਰੀ ਮੰਮਾ ਨੇ ਕੁਝ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕਾਰਨ ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਇਦਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਲਾਈਵਲੀ, ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਹੈਪੀਲੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ। ਐਂਡ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਕਿਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਾਨਲੇਵਾ ਬਿਮਾਰੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਨਾ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਏ, ਇਸੇ ਲਈ ਮੇਰੇ ਮੰਮਾ ਨੇ MR ਦਾ ਟੀਕਾ ਲਗਵਾਇਆ। MR यानी measles।
Moving to the next category, nominees for the best spot routine immunization, Private FM. Subhash Krishna and Shashi Bhushan, Radio Mirchi, Patna for Mr. Vaccine. Animesh Shukla, My FM, Raipur for Swasth Zindagi. Rocky and Abbas, Red FM, New Delhi for Notice Board. The winner for best spot on routine immunization, Private FM is Animesh Shukla, My FM, Raipur for Swasth Zindagi.
देखो बच्चों, सबसे पहले भाग किया, उसके बाद गुणा किया, उसके बाद जोड़ा और फिर घटाया तो सही उत्तर आया। ये गणित का नियम है।
पर मास्टर जी, स्वस्थ जिंदगी के गणित का क्या नियम?
The nominees for best RJ link on routine immunization, Private FM are Animesh Shukla, My FM, Raipur for Mausam Chachu, Sam, Radio Mirchi Amritsar for Maid Ki Diwali, Komal, Radio Chocolate, Odisha for Mr. Tika. And the winner for the best RJ link on routine immunization is Komal, Radio Chocolate, Odisha for Mr. Tika.
सुन रहे आप ओडिशा का नंबर 1 FM स्टेशन रेडियो चॉकलेट 104 FM टू मीठा। आपके साथ हूँ मैं एक्स्ट्रा लाचार से कोमल और शो चल रहा है चॉकलेट मॉर्निंग। दोस्तों, एक्स्ट्रा लाचार से कोमल के साथ कोई ना कोई एक्स्ट्रा टैलेंटेड पर्सनालिटी रहते तो है, आज भी है। बस उनके बारे में एक छोटा सा क्लू दे देती हूँ। क्या है कि बचपन में हम सबसे ज्यादा किसको सुनते हैं? मम्मी की, पापा की और हमारे टीचर्स की, है ना जी। पहले टीचर्स हमें क्या पढ़ाते थे? A for apple, B for ball, या फिर 2 एकम 2।
With that, we come to the end of the awards for routine immunization for Private FM. And thank you, Mr. Rajiv Shukla and Ms. Rama Mohan. The next set of 5 awards is for creative messages on end violence against children, child sexual abuse. I would like to invite Mr. K.C. Sinha, Assistant Director, AIR, and Mr. Nimish Kapoor, Scientist, Vigyan Prasad, to join us on stage. The nominees for Best Promo on Child Sexual Abuse, Private FM are RJ Nishant and RJ Iqbal, Radio Mirchi, Jammu for Be Your Child's Superhero. Kshitij Singh, Radio Mirchi, Raipur for #Save Girl Child. Nivi and Shrikant, Radio Chocolate, Bhubaneswar for Ruchi Ka Dar. And the winners for the best promo on child sexual abuse, Private FM are Nivi and Shrikant, Radio Chocolate, Bhubaneswar for Ruchi Ka Dar.
रुचि, रुचि, आज ये नई ड्रामेबाजी, दरवाजा खोलो, रुचि।
पापा, मुझे अभी पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है, तबीयत ठीक नहीं लग रहा है पापा।
मैं कुछ नहीं सुनने वाला, चुपचाप पढ़ाई के लिए बैठो। कभी पेट दर्द, कभी सिर में दर्द, रोज नए नए बहाने। ये सब तुम्हारी लाड प्यार का नतीजा है। उसका ध्यान हमेशा कहीं और रहता है, रोज रोज नए बहाने।
आप गुस्सा मत कीजिए, बच्ची है वो, मैं उसे समझा दूंगी ना।
जैसी माँ वैसी बेटी, तंग आ चुका हूँ मैं। रुचि।
The next category is Best Jingle on Child Sexual Abuse, Private FM. And the nominees are RJ Nishant and RJ Iqbal of Radio Mirchi, Jammu for Mummy Ko Sab Batana Hai. Harjaspreet Singh and Harsh Shrotrikia, Radio Mirchi, Chandigarh for Thodi Sharam Karo. Parvez Bateja, Radio Mirchi, Amritsar for Khushiyon Wali Diwali. The winner of the best jingle are RJ Nishant and RJ Iqbal from Radio Mirchi, Jammu for Mummy Ko Sab Batana Hai.
है दुश्मन से अनजान, नहीं जानती इंसान के है भेस में हैवान। फैलाए खुद दरिंदगी, फिर बांटता है ज्ञान। खुद डर की जीने बच्चों की मुस्कान है। कर्मा भी शिकारी, ये लौट के आएगा। तू करेगा जो बोएगा, जो वही तो पाएगा। पाएगा 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 आएगा जब खुद पे तब तू रोएगा पछताएगा.
The nominees for Best PSA on Child Sexual Abuse Private FM are Animesh Shukla, My FM Raipur for Scoreboard, Anshu Priya, Radio Dhoom Jharkhand for Chuppi Todo, Divya Vasudev, Radio City Delhi for Tao. And the winner for the Best PSA is Anshu Priya, Radio Dhoom Jharkhand for Chuppi
सेकंड
Todo.
स्टैंडर्ड में थी, मैथ्स क्विज में पूरी क्लास में फर्स्ट, पर उस दिन के बाद क्विज में कभी हिस्सा नहीं लिया. नहीं, आई वॉज नॉट स्केर्ड ऑफ मैथ्स. मुझे तो बस वो मैथ्स सर की शाबाशी नहीं चाहिए थी. वो पीठ थपथपाते हुए हौले से हाथ सरकाकर सहलाना माँ को बताया था, पर उन्होंने अनसुना कर दिया. प्रियू देखो.
The next category is Best Spot on Child Sexual Abuse Private FM. Animesh Shukla, My FM Raipur for बच्चों को दोस्त बनाइए. संपर्क and संग्राम, Radio Chocolate Bhubaneswar for Brave Boy. Anil, Radio Chocolate Bhubaneswar for एक chocolate की कीमत. And the winners for Best Spot on Child Sexual Abuse are Sampark and Sangram, Radio Chocolate Bhubaneswar for Brave Boy. We have Master Sampark with us.
मामा जानी छो आज ना क्लास रे टीचर मते कहले ब्रेव बॉय और चॉकलेट भी देले.
काई तो कौन एमती कहलो की?
किछि नाही मां. आज गेम टाइम ने जोन अंकल से मते मन ना पचारिले. मु कहली मते गेला कले. तापरे मु गुगल संगे लगियो. तम कहलो ना गुगल.
Thank you, Mr. Kapoor and Mr. Sinha, for being with us on stage. I would like to now invite Mr. Anil Gulati, Communication Specialist, UNICEF, Madhya Pradesh, and Mr. Neeraj Agarwal, Additional Director General Programs, Western Region, on stage, All India Radio, to please give away the next set of awards. The nominees for Best RJ Link on Child Sexual Abuse Private FM, Vinny Bharti, My FM Indore for Stay Safe Bachpan Bachaiye, Nilanjan Mukherjee, Big FM Kolkata for Understand the Unsaid Words, Vashish Thakkar, Radio Mirchi Ahmedabad for I Hate Chocolates. The winner for the Best PSA RJ Link on Child Sexual Abuse Private FM is Vinny Bharti, My FM Indore for Stay Safe Bachpan Bachaiye.
आपने ट्यून कर रखा है, जहां मैं हूं विनी आपके साथ. सलाम इंदौर में कर रहे हैं मेरे साथ दिन की शुरुआत. वो मासूम बच्चे, फूल से नाजुक, कोमल, जिन्हें जरूरत होती है तो सिर्फ हमारे प्यार की, हमारे केयर की. लेकिन आज हमारे समाज में शायद उन्हें इसके विपरीत ही कुछ मिल रहा है. कठुआ रेप केस हो या मंदसौर में मासूम की जिंदगी के साथ हुआ.
Thank you, Mr. Gulati and Mr. Agarwal, for joining us. With that, we come to an end of our awards for Private FM. Let's have a huge round of applause for all the winners. Going forward, the jury has appreciated the fact that entries have come from remotest parts of the country, including J&K, along with exemplary work being done by community radio stations. So I would like to invite Ms. Prakashini Jaiswal, Pradhan of Gram Panchayat Chandwara Village, to join us on stage. Dr. Gagan Gupta, Chief of Health, UNICEF, and Mr. KG Suresh, former DG IIMC, to present the next set of awards. Ms. Jaiswal is known for creating the child-friendly Gram Panchayat in her village and instituting a cycle bank for adolescent girls so that they can reach schools on a timely basis. And she has 100% immunization in her Gram Panchayat. So to announce, we have special mentions. Kailash Patra and Gaurahari Biswal from SOA Community Radio Bhubaneswar May we please have you on stage? Can we please have a huge round of applause? We also have a special mention, Mr. Anand Gupta and Rajneesh Tiwari from BBD Lucknow. Please come on stage. There are 3 more community radio stations who could not make it to the event today, but I would like to mention their names. Vivek Raj from Radio Vishwas Nasik, Dinesh Mohapatra from Radio Muskan Odisha, Anil Deshmukh and J.M. Shete from Beed, Maharashtra. Let's give a huge round of applause to them as well. As per the Radio for Child Awards rules, the entries have to be of a maximum of 3 minutes. However, we have received some creatives that go beyond this time limit. However, we received one creative that is of 8 minutes, and as per the rules was not really eligible for the awards, but the jury was so impressed with the creativity and emotional chord that the RJ has been able to build that an exception to give a special mention award was made, and the award goes to RJ Tina from Red FM Bhopal. Thank you, Ms. Jaiswal. Thank you, Mr. K.G. Suresh and Mr. Gagan Gupta, Dr. Haldar. And we have had, it's an honor to have had you, all of you here. Thank you.
करीना जी आपको यहाँ सेंटर में देखना है कॉमन इंटरव्यू कहीं से भी सवाल आ सकता है ओके सो ये बताइए करीना जी कि हाँ जी सिर्फ
सो करीना फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कांग्रेचुलेशन इस तरह के एसोसिएशन के साथ जुड़ना काफी काबिल तारीफ होता है तो क्या कहना चाहती हैं आप कितनी एक्साइटेड हैं और क्या कुछ फील करती हैं
यूनिसेफ के साथ काफ़ी कुछ किया है साथ में काफ़ी काम हुआ है साथ में बट आई थिंक ये कैंपेन को लेकर एवरी चाइल्ड अलाइव कैंपेन को लेकर आई थिंक दिस इज़ द क्लोजेस्ट दैट इट कैन गेट टू माई हार्ट क्योंकि आई थिंक नाउ आफ्टर बिकमिंग अ मदर एंड गिविंग बर्थ टू तैमूर आई थिंक दैट वो ऑटोमेटिकली एक फीलिंग सी आ जाती है दैट यू फील रिस्पॉन्सिबल दैट टू काइंड ऑफ यू नो spread the message that how we can protect your child, how we can keep every child alive. So I think that ये एक natural सा association हो गया that I feel is you know मैं मना भी नहीं कर सकती थी and also something that I wanted to do from inside of me, you know.
आप खुद एक माँ हैं, टीकाकरण immunization के मुद्दे पर as a mother किस तरह से आप बाकी रूरल एरियाज के लोगों को जोड़ के बात करते हैं?
I think government अपना काम तो कर ही रही है. I think they are working tirelessly providing services and जैसे आपने देखा कि हमारे रेडियो जॉकीज़ ने किस तरह का काम किया है कम्युनिटी रेडियो की तरफ से भी हर डिफरेंट अलग अलग लैंग्वेजेस में भी अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड किया जा रहा है हमारी तरफ से तो कोशिश तो जारी है और of course सपना है that we will have every child alive, but as long as progress चल रहा है, I think we are very happy in that.
ओके वेरी नाइस। इसी के साथ में वैक्सीनेशन को लेके मतलब लोगों की जो गांव होते हैं, गांव खेड़े जो होते हैं, उनकी मतलब राय एक अलग है, मतलब कि बच्चे बीमार हो जाते हैं, उनको बुखार हो जाता है, इस तरीके से, तो उनको क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्या मैसेज?
But I think इसी होप में हम चल रहे हैं कि you know whenever they, जब वो हमारी बातें सुनेंगे, जब हम वो हमारी कैंपेन्स देखेंगे, when they kind of see, and also जैसे कि कहा किसी ने अंदर, that they have roped in religious leaders also to kind of convince them that you know how important immunization is, how important it is. I think एक बच्चे के पहली 2 साल जिंदगी का I think is the most important. So if we are trying from every resource to kind of reach out to rural India.
आप माओं को, अभी मातृत्व दिवस होने जा रहा है 2 दिन बाद, माओं को क्या संदेश देंगी कि इस बार के मातृत्व दिवस के बाद अपने बच्चों का किस बारे में विशेष ख्याल रखें?
I think इतना सब कुछ कहना है, there is so much to talk about it, but I think बच्चों की safety एक तरफ and टीकाकरण एक तरफ, I think these are 2 messages that I believe in, which I would, जो मैं अपने बच्चे के लिए करूँगी, जो मैं तैमूर के लिए करूँगी, I think that is something which I would want all mothers across India to do.
करीना, साथ ही साथ अब बच्चों की बात हो रही है, इसके साथ साथ वुमेन्स पे, जो वुमेन्स मैच्योर हैं, उनके साथ भी काफ़ी चीज़ें आती हैं सामने, उसके बारे में आपके क्या थॉट है, क्या कुछ कहना चाहती है, लाइक हैरेसमेंट, एक्सटॉर्शन?
Well, I think that of course I think एक mindset की बात है, but I think women now are, they are the pioneers. I think आप जहाँ भी देखो, I think women are leading in every field. If you go to see in the room also today, there is maximum number of, जब आप radio jockeys को भी देखें, I think आज मैं देख रही थी कि there were more female radio jockeys than male. So I think women are very smart, very alert, and they know exactly how to handle themselves, and I think we are come out to be fighters. So I think we'll just have to keep our head high, keep ourselves strong, and I think we'll be able to resolve all the issues.
So साथ ही साथ आपकी फिल्म के बारे में बता दें कि क्या शेड्यूल है, कब से शूट करने हैं उसके बारे में, या हिंदी मीडियम की तरफ?
हाँ, अभी आई थिंक एंड गुड न्यूज़ तो रिलीज़ होने वाली है दिसंबर में, एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी गुड फिल्म, और कास्ट भी बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग है, बिकॉज दिलजीत दोसांझ है, अक्षय कुमार है, कियारा अडवाणी एंड अस टुगेदर. So I think for amazing actors, I think people should expect a fun ride for sure.
Okay, करीना, इसी के साथ में 2 बड़ी फिल्में एक साथ रिलीज होने वाली हैं, दबंग 3 एंड आपकी गुड न्यूज़, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, आई थिंक 1 हफ्ते बाद आएगी हमारी फिल्म, 1 या 2 हफ्ते बाद आएगी हमारी फिल्म, एंड ऑल्सो दबंग एंड गुड न्यूज़ में कुछ कंपैरिजन नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फिल्म.
एक समय पे आने पे आपसे ऑडियंस में लगी बढ़ जाएगी?
नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक सो. आई थिंक आवर ऑडियंस इज वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम देम.
Congratulations for taking this initiative. You have also been RJ yourself.
जी.
Do you think you were taking some issues or matters which were more mature and with the celebrities? Any plans for taking a show for children?
Yes. So जैसे मैंने कहा that what women want, we took up topics that probably not many people had addressed also. बहुत सारे लोगों, बहुत सारी औरतें सामने से आके कभी बात नहीं किए, but on what women want, our radio show, people were coming and addressing topics like that. So there will be a season 2, but we don't know the topic yet. It could also be what men want.
I'm sorry.
One Mother's Day wish.
Mother's Day wish.
After that,
no more, please. I'm sorry, we cannot.
I have taken a question regarding the radio. One thing more. Would you like your legacy of your family with RK Studios to be continued? As we are talking already about it, do you think, as being suggested, a museum should come up? So what's your thought on this?
I think RK की legacy already आगे बढ़ चुकी है, और पहले तो लड़कियों ने बहुत आगे बढ़ाया, करिश्मा ने पहले किया, फिर मैंने किया, और अब रणवीर आगे बढ़ा रहा है. तो आई थिंक हमारे परफॉर्मेंसेस से एंड द काइंड ऑफ वर्क दैट वी आर डूइंग, हमारी लेगेसी तो आगे बढ़ ही रही है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स हमारे बच्चे भी इंशाल्लाह एक दिन आगे बढ़ाएंगे. Well, I wish all the mothers a very, very happy Mother's Day. Don't forget to wish your own mothers. Of course, me being a mother feels this, but pick up the phone, wish your mother, give her a tight hug, because that's what I am expecting and waiting from my son.
Thank you.